smile because it happened, baby. Cry because it's over.
Okay, so this is the hair right now. It's literally not as wet and damp. I mean, it's damp. It's just not wet, which is good. So let's get into it. First things first, products. Again, you don't need to have these exact products. Anything that you have, any kind of heat, really what's going to give you the bounciness is whatever curlers you have. Now I have different sizes, not because I like having different curl sizes, but because I don't have the same curl sizes of the same duplicate sets. Doesn't matter. This is from Hot Tools. I also am going to be using the, I believe it's the 2-inch Hot Tools professional curler. It has the clamp. Basically, I'm going to be working it on the ends versus where I generally would curl my hair. Well, let me just show you rather than telling you. So again, I'm going to go ahead and section off my hair. Again, this is a lot of heat. It's like a 2-step blowout where someone always has time for this. So I'm sectioning off my hair and I'm just grabbing my brush and just brushing it out. I do have my curlers ready, and then I have my clips. I don't know how you're actually supposed to put these clips in, so I just kind of wing it. So generally when I'm curling my hair, I would curl from the root down, but I'm going to be curling from the ends up. So here, and I'm going to be curling it this way because the ends are what's bouncy. So depending on how you're sectioning off your hair too, I say just a couple seconds, just enough for all of the hair to get some heat on it. Again, this is what's really gonna mold it. I also have these other plastic, wow, this is hot, ouch. And then I just keep it for a couple seconds. You can go ahead and release it. Now I'm gonna take the Velcro curler. I don't love the Velcro curlers. My hair's still hot, so I'm gonna go ahead and lace it so it molds. So the heat is gonna act like the blowout. I'm gonna actually grab the big one and just sneak it here. See, I don't know how you're supposed to, does that help? And you're just going to repeat the process. Depending if you have pins, you don't even need to have the curlers that I have, like the Velcro ones, but if you do, they will help. If you don't have it, that's okay. You can go ahead and just use your fingers and then just pin it that way. Don't know how good it is, but just an idea. You could use products that have or contain like the texture or whatever it's called. Where is my other, oh, one's in my hair. And then you're just going to pull out. Honestly, the best blowout that I've ever had is probably from the girl that cuts my hair, Ashley. Go ahead and section some more hair, making sure I didn't drop any new hair. Okay, so this could honestly just be my preference. I don't love the Velcro curlers in my opinion. I think it ruins the blowout, but some people agree to disagree, so I figure, hey, you know what? If I have some curls that don't stay, that's okay, and some that do, awesome. So I'm going to section off a smaller piece since I want certain pieces to stand out more. Again, note to self, make sure that you're curling away from your face and not toward it to get that bombshell look. So I'm only curling it up to the point where the entire iron is covered with my hair, and whatever's left out is what's left out. I mean, if you're doing this in smaller sections, it won't really matter as much. Also, it just depends on how tight you want it, but I don't generally recommend it. Shoes a beaut. Again, I grab this hair, go ahead and pull this. Honestly, you could be watching this video and just be like, yeah, I'm not gonna do that, seems like too many steps. And honestly, I agree with you, but the outcome. Okay, so it is time to take out the curls. My daughter has found me. So I am going to be going in with the Schwarzkopf Oasis Volume Up Booster. Don't know if this is gonna work. I've had it for quite a while, like probably 6 years now. And then a little bit of the Tresemme Compressed Micro Mist. This is just the invisible spray, like hairspray. I don't generally like to put any product after I like do heat on my hair, but a lot of the times because my hair is like healthy in a way, it doesn't always hold the curl. I did have to alternate between Velcro and plastic because I ran out. So we're hoping that it helps. I don't know. I kind of hate that I have this like indent now, but also I'm so sorry she cries. And with this breed, I have tried everything to get rid of her little tears. Okay, so I'm going to take this out while holding her. She has to get her shots right now. I'm literally going to pull up to the Vetco like this. She's like, what are you doing? It takes true talent to do what I do. Making sure I don't hit her. Like my curl. Oh, yum, 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 yum. So let's see if we can grab maybe some of that volume spray to get, I mean, it actually looks a lot better than what I personally thought it was going to come out to be, if I'm being honest with you. Trying to blow it in the direction that I had it in. See, like with the, oh, sorry. With the Velcros, it's like, I feel like in a way it can, trying to get the roots. Mama's going to be late to your appointment. I cannot afford that. Whoa. Wow. Actually, Mom, what do you think about my curls? Can you look?
What do you do?
Does it look good?
How'd you do it?
I blew out my hair. I just that and then yeah, and then I curled the ends.
And then how did they just stay?
Yeah.
Here, see myself right here. Hi everybody. Happy Easter. Birthday's coming.
It's my mama's birthday on Monday.
Say happy birthday.
Thank you so much. I just want to shake it a little bit. I mean, it looks great. I think what it is you have to hold it for a little bit longer in the curl. It looks so good. Let me put you down, sugar bear. Okay, so I'm gonna try and here, how I always see people do. Girl, the way that I literally only have like 10 minutes is insane. I'll probably spritz the end just a little bit. Girl. Cute? No, because it's lace. I love the outcome. Are you kidding? Put a little bit the booster spray. Give that blowout. Oh my goodness, this looks so cute. And with Ashley's cut, yes, I love it. Okay, so that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Put this so that we don't get copyrighted. And let me know your thoughts. Do you think that you would do this? I mean, based off the results, looks so good. Perfect. Love it. Love to see it. Okay, maybe I should go out. So yes, this is the final result. Let me know your thoughts down below. Did you like it? Do you think you would do it? What would you do differently? I will go ahead and list the products as well as base it off of chapters. Again, this is my version of a blowout. This could be better. It could. But am I going to? No. But yes. I will see you guys next time. My name is Madeline. This is my channel. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.